Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all the secrets to achieve financial success. Today, we're diving deep into the do's and don'ts of wealth building, revealing the 10 crucial mistakes you must avoid if you want to become rich. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Mistake 1. Luxury spending. Splurging on unnecessary luxuries before you've even built your empire. I get it, a fancy sports car can be tempting, but blowing your hard-earned money on material possessions won't lead you to financial independence. Instead, focus on investing in assets that appreciate over time. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Mistake 2. Spending without a proper budget. That $5 latte might seem harmless, but those small expenses add up over time. Cut back on mindless spending and create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. By tracking your expenses, you'll be amazed at how much money you'll save towards building your wealth. Mistake 3. Glued to couch. Wasting precious hours on mindless entertainment. We all love a good binge-watching session, but successful individuals invest their time wisely. Instead of watching another rerun, educate yourself through books, podcasts, or online courses. Continuous learning is the key to unlocking extraordinary achievements. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Mistake 4. Being disorganized. A cluttered workspace leads to a cluttered mind. Successful people know the power of an efficient and organized environment. Dedicate time each day to decluttering and organizing your workspace, both physically and digitally. Trust me, you'll experience a boost in productivity and focus. Mistake 5. Neglecting your health and fitness. Your mind and body are the engine that drives your success. No matter how busy you are, make time for exercise, healthy eating, and self-care. By prioritizing your well-being, you'll be able to maintain the energy and mental clarity required to conquer your financial goals. Mistake 6. Falling into the social media trap. While social media is a powerful tool for building your personal brand, spending excessive time mindlessly scrolling through feeds can steal your precious time and focus. Be intentional with your social media usage, leveraging it for networking and learning, rather than mindless scrolling. Mistake 7. Drowning in debt. Accumulating unnecessary debts can cripple your financial growth. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, like credit cards, and avoid taking on new debts unless absolutely necessary. Remember, financial freedom begins when you break free from the shackles of debt. Mistake 8. Surrounding yourself with negative people. The people we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our mindset and success. Seek out supportive, like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to push your limits. Surrounding yourself with positive energy will accelerate your journey towards wealth. Mistake 9. Lack of goal setting. Without clear goals, your path to wealth remains vague and directionless. Take the time to establish smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that align with your financial dreams. Break them down into actionable steps and keep yourself accountable along the way. Mistake 10. Fearing calculated risks. The road to riches is paved with risks, and playing it safe won't bring extraordinary rewards. Embrace calculated risks, seize opportunities, and learn from failures. Remember, most successful individuals have failed multiple times before hitting their breakthrough moment. So there you have it, the 10 things you must never do if you want to become rich. Avoid these pitfalls, stay focused, and chart your course towards financial abundance. Remember, wealth is within your reach. Keep hustling, stay motivated, and let's conquer those dreams together. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. Until next time, stay driven, my friends. And cut. That's a wrap, folks. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow go-getters. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing those dreams.